One of the reasons why AMC is going back on the uptrend, obviously, is because, the volume is getting back a little bit slowly, but progressively, but also because based on what we saw these last couple of days and weeks happening in terms of short squeeze events, TWAC, Bed and Beyond, we had tons of those. Avis budget, we have tons of those happening, and it kind of revived a little bit the interest in these stocks that the media likes to call the memes stocks. Why? Because not only it proves two things. First of all, it proves that shorts, like Jim Cramer said in one of the videos I shared with you earlier, the shorts are now very comfortable. So, so far at this point, they were very comfortable, but now they will start stressing a little bit. Why? Because anytime, any day, they can actually get burned by retail investors like you and I, because we like the stocks. And based on earnings especially, and the trend shifting in the markets now towards the reopening trade, it means the money will now be shifting from some of the stocks that back in 2020 were supposed to go bankrupt, like AMC. So that's the first argument. The second argument that we see is that, hey, it's possible. People think to realize that, hey, it's possible that we can have something like a DWAC or a Bed and Beyond on a single day with AMC. But it's even more interesting. It's even more relevant for companies like AMC and stock like GameStop, because this is the summum. This is the top of the shenanigans when it comes to the amount of shorts, naked short synthetics shenanigans happening as manipulation in a play. And because we have so many people backing up, buying and holding this stock, when the time comes, because it's coming, right? It's not an if question. It's when the time will come. So when it comes, the squeeze is going to be so hard that we're going to have probably multiple days worth of, similar to what we had in DWAC. Multiple days like that, even without even with the halts, to continue to push this higher and higher, because they went so hard into the deep with billions, estimated billions worth of, billions of shares being shorted, right? Being shorted illegally and legally to make sure they will keep the share price here at a certain level. But it won't work, because at some point the little shorts are going to be kicked out. They're going to be so unbearable for them that it's going to cause a domino effect. But I want to share with you, to finish this video, guys, something that I saw here from an article on Benziga. The retail investing interest is building again, DataTrek says. So we have to know that, the more important thing here is to meme stock activity is alive and well this year. GameStop and AMC are still at historically very high levels, although Wedbush had, that eventual the downgrade, and eventually expect the AMC Apes to cash out. But that will never happen before the squeeze. That's why we're here for. All right. So again, to tell you that the events that happened last week and the week before, with DWAC and Avis, Bed and Beyond, are here to say that, hey, people are seeing that it's possible, and because of that, plus this trend that is shifting in favor of these stocks, we're looking at a very interesting next 3 months towards the end of the year. So I wouldn't be surprised if the whole loop will be closed around January. All right, because it's just not possible for the short to continue to hold this any longer. So I would just hold even tighter, and that's it. I just don't have any other way of saying it.